Hi there, this is Siddhant Bandari and you are watching Made in India, where we design and print in 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension with imagination. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon to remain notified about our latest updates. If you wish to see our last video, then I have provided a link in the description below, or you can go simply and press this I button. So today what we have got here is a hand grip fan. So the special thing about this fan is that it has got no batteries, no motors. It is a truly mechanical fan based on gear train. So you don't have to worry about recharging the fan or changing the batteries, although this fan makes some little noise. However, after proper lubrication and a little sanding, the noise were reduced very much. So let us quickly build these parts and paint them up. Now we have got all the parts required to make this assembly. We have got all kinds of gears, the front cover, the back cover and our fan. So now let's take our brush out and paint them up. Now that we have made all these parts, let's assemble them. So doing the assembly of the fan is very simple. We first start by making the gear assembly. So let's take these two gears. So this gear has a hexagonal slot and a hexagonal nut on the another gear. We start by meshing these two gears. We do the same step for the another set of gears. So the next step here is to mount the gears in the gear case. So you first start by sliding this bigger gear and mesh all the gears accordingly. In the next step, we take this link and slide it through the hole provided on the gear. Next, we take this handle and also mount it onto this link and put the top cover onto it. After that, the final step is to take this fan and mount it onto the hexagonal nut provided by the gear. And our fan is ready to use. So if you people like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Have a great day. Jai Hind.